Hey guys, in 1 minute I'm going to show you the best way to roll up your sleeves. Start off by unbuttoning the first button on your sleeve. Then you want to roll the sleeve up to the crease of your elbow, making sure that there are no wrinkles along the way. Afterwards, fold the bottom half of the sleeve over the cuff. Make sure to use your thumb to tuck it in so that the cuff is completely hidden. You can also use your thumb to slide around the inside of the cuff to remove the wrinkles. And there you have it, a solid way to roll up your sleeve that looks sharp for any occasion. I usually like to roll up my sleeves before I head out to party because it offers a more casual look. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.